come back home. And he go church and he start up everybody and pray for people and stuff. And yeah, everybody want him pray for catch the virus. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Jamaican Kim, and it's a Monday. Happy Monday to everybody. So anyways, today I just really wanted to talk about back to school. It's almost back to school time in Jamaica. I don't know if in other countries the kids have already gone back to school, but I'm nervous. I mean, with the whole big C what's going around, the coronavirus, I don't even want to say the name, but it's a big topic and we cannot hide from the topic, you understand? So I just want to talk about everything what's been happening, and it's so scary because like I have a 7-year-old daughter, and I mean they don't really understand. Like us adults, we understand how to control, how to conduct ourselves, and you know what to do and what not to do. Kids them don't understand, you understand? They're young, and most of the school them in Jamaica, like the primary school and the basic school them, most of them are like small sections, you know. Even the school that my daughter went before, the school she's going now, it's very like, it's very compact. The kids are really close together, the classrooms are really small, and the reason why I believe they do the classroom that small is so, you know, the kids them maybe will learn a little bit better, you know, because most big classroom, you know, the kids are at the back, and so in this small group classroom, the kids are grouped together, you know, more closely, so they can hear everything. Nobody's left to the back, like everybody is at the front, you understand? The teacher can pay more close attention to the kids and stuff. But it's a big issue now with this whole coronavirus that's happening right now, you know. So I don't know how they're gonna work it out. I don't know, but it's very scary. So guys, I just want to hear what's going on in your area. If you have kids, are they back to school as yet? You know, because it's a serious issue that's happening, you know. They used to be testing people. Now they're saying that they don't have enough tests to be testing everybody that's coming in the island and stuff. But it's so scary because now people are coming in. I guess they're testing their temperature at the airport, but I mean, testing the temperature is not all, because you can have the coronavirus and you don't have a high temperature. You know that. Quarantine yourself, lock down yourself for a little while and chill. You understand? Yes, I understand. Like everybody gonna say, "Oh, I'm not sick. I am not sick, so nothing wrong if me go out because I know so I'm not sick." No, not because you know say you're not sick. Think about it, right? Alright, say for instance you're not sick. You haven't been infected with the virus, right? But think about it, when you go on that plane and you're sitting among so many people on that plane, right? At that time you could catch something. You understand me? You might not have it before, but when you're on the plane, you could end up catch something. I mean, the mask is not like 100% safe. People are really, really selfish, right? Like I was listening to the news, when it came on the news the other day with this female artist, right? And she come to Jamaica. I think then said that she landed in Mobile, right? And she just come and she dey all over the place. Come on, man, have a look up something about yourself. You know what happened at the place. And I like the whole thing over. It is not over. You understand? You're there all over the place. Even the other day I heard about a news, right? Where this pastor, I don't know if it's a female or a male or whatever, but it's a pastor, right? And the pastor came down. I don't know where the person came from, which country or whatever, right? But the person is a Jamaican. So the person come back home and he go church and he start up everybody and pray for people and stuff, and yeah, everybody want him pray for catch the virus. You understand? You have to be caring to other people. You cannot be selfish and say, just because you're not feeling sick, you think you might not be sick. You do not know. You don't know. You understand? So just be careful. The kids now, they're going back to school. They're so happy to see each other, hugging up, greeting each other and all of that. They don't understand. And even when you counsel them and tell them, look, when you go back to school, don't be hugging on nobody. You know, don't be doing that. Don't be doing that. They still don't understand. They're not going to do what you're telling them to do. They're not going to do that. Trust me. They're kids. They don't know no better. I understand. So, even adults. The other day I went downtown. I went in town and I saw people busting our fists. You know, greeting each other, busting with a fist. Why are you busting fists? Why are you shaking hands? Why are you hugging on people at a time like this? Why are you shaking people's hand? Why are you getting so close? Understand? It's like everybody does think this thing is over. It is not over. Understand? I even see like certain YouTubers going on the road, you know, asking questions to people. That's their thing. But I mean, you're getting too close to the person. You're getting too close. You understand? So, people be dropping their guards too easy. They be dropping their guards and they think that it's safe to go out and party and be doing all of these things. But they don't understand. And when you drop your guard, that's the time when this thing is going to attack. Still be washing your hands often, extra often, right? Still be using your hand sanitizer, your alcohol, all of that. Still be doing that, right? Just don't drop your guards too easy and think that everything is okay, because it's not. Even when I go in town to pay my bills and stuff, and I look at the lines are so jammed. Alright, the other day I went into Juicy Beef and I had that video clip, but somehow it got deleted, right? But I wanted to show that video clip. In Juicy Beef was so compact. At first they were allowing like a couple of people to go in, but now I realize that the security just calling in everybody. I don't know. It's just scary. It's just scary, guys. It's just scary out there. I don't know. My daughter now, they give her hand sanitizer. You know what she gonna do with the hand sanitizer? She gonna squeeze out all of it in her hand. Squeeze out the whole of it. Probably give her friends them. Squeeze out and play up and catch water in a buckle and shake up. They don't understand. But we have to make sure sending them out to school, the younger ones, the older ones, make sure that they have the hand sanitizer or even a bottle of alcohol. I think the alcohol is even more better. Put it in a spray bottle and put it in your bag. Make them spray it on their hand. Right? Give them a something with some wipes. And you can put some alcohol in the container with those wipes. You understand? Because sometimes they can't reach to the pipes to wash their hands and stuff. So we could do that. And yeah, put 2 masks in their bag. One for them to travel with in their bag, and they wear one to go to school. Just in case something wrong with that mask that they're wearing. What you guys think? Drop a comment and tell me what's going on in your area. What are your thoughts on the whole thing with back to school? If your child is already going back to school, how are you coping? How is your child dealing with the whole system? Is your child following the rules, wearing your mask? Is your child taking off his or her mask? What's happening with you and your child? Let me know. I really want to know, because I am just so scared about the whole system. I do not know what to do. I mean, I really want my daughter to go back to school. She's so excited. She really wants to go back to school. She missed school because she's a child that loves school. But it's not really safe. So, but I'll see what's happening. But let me know what's happening with you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy my video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Come on over, join the family. And I will see you again in my next video, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.